I'm Dawson Noniwa, a production manager for Blantyre Water Board. I work here at Workers Ferry, Kula. We have a lot of challenges in terms of water supply. This rainy season, as you've seen at the intake, due to heavy land degradation, there is a lot of silt that is accumulated at our intake. And this also makes the water to be very dirty, what we call turbidity. Turbidity becomes so high. And this requires us to use a lot of chemicals to treat the water for human consumption. The other problems that we face also the frequent breakdown of machines at our intake because of the same silt that is accumulated at the intake. Because the pumps, instead of pumping the actual raw water that we want, they'll pump together with the silt. So the silt will make our pumps to wear very fast. So most of the times we have frequent breakdown of our machines at the intake. You know, this is a very hot place, and the rain patterns are not don't follow a pattern in most cases. So because people most of the times don't have food because of the erratic rains, they've resulted into wanton cutting down of trees. And these cutting down of trees have made the erosion, soil erosion, to be so huge, making it very difficult for us to pump water from our intake. So yes, due to climate change, because of erratic rains, then there is this wanton cutting down of trees for charcoal burning. And another thing is, because of that, people have even cultivated so close to the Shire River. And that has resulted in them to using inorganic fertilizers. And that has even affected the quality of our water, making it so costly to treat it to the required standards. I can say the risk is ever growing. For the past 15 or 20 years, we used to have thick forests here, heavy ones. But as you can see, all those have been cut by charcoal burners. In terms of quantity, we can say as the Blantyre Water Board at Workers Ferry, we don't experience much because of the barrage. You may wish to know that the barrage controls the flow, the Nkula barrage controls the flow of the Shire River. So most of the times we have a lot of water because of the barrage. When they close, the dam is built up. Previously, we used to get our water from the natural flow of the Shire River. And we had the horizontal pumps, where the motor would follow a pump just like that. But because of the building of the barrage by ESCOM downstream, Blantyre Water Board was asked to raise its pumps because the barrage controls the flow of the water on the river. When they close the gates of the barrage, they build up the pond. So that one would cause flooding to our pumps. So we installed the vertical pumps. The pumps are 12 meters down that pump. So at the intake, we also have the intake pond. So we draw our water 12 meters down that intake structure, then pump that water to the treatment works. And because of that 12-meter column depth with the siltation, then that causes also the frequent breakdown of the pumps. Yes, indeed, Blantyre Water Board, we are not just sitting idle. We've sensitized people along our catchment area not to cultivate close to the river banks. But on the other hand, we've gone flat out on the reforestation exercise. When I was coming here in 1991, we used to produce around 70,000 cubic meters of water, but that was enough for the Blantyre city and the surrounding areas. But with the population growth, the demand has been growing every day. Around 2000, we upgraded the 5 of our pumps, which pushed our production from 70 to around 79,000 cubic meters per day, which we are still producing to Blantyre now. But you may wish to know that the demand for water in Blantyre has grown up to 96,000 cubic meters of water per day. So for that reason, no matter what we do now, there is going to be a shortage of water in Blantyre.